Hello, dear friends. Story time with me once again. So, once upon a time, there was this very powerful, very important king, and he had many elephants in his troop. One of this elephant was the king's favorite elephant because he was very skillful, very powerful, and he's always, whenever he used to go to the battle, this elephant only used to come back victorious. And that's the reason this king was so extremely fond of this elephant and he was his favorite. Then, as time passed on, this elephant became old and he was not able to take part in battles. Yet, he remained with the king in the kingdom, but the king never sent him out, but he still remained his favorite. Once this elephant went to near the lake to have some water. As he went there near the lake, his feet got stuck in this loose sand and he started sinking. The elephant realized that he is sinking and he cannot do anything about it. So he started screaming and shouting. So many people heard his voice and came running to him. They saw his position and they called the king. So the king too came running and everybody tried their level best to get him out. But nothing was working and this elephant was just going deeper and deeper inside. Everybody got really worried. Till that time, a very old wise minister of the king came along. When he saw the entire situation, he told the king, "Go ahead and please make an announcement that the war drums should be sounded right now." Everybody was surprised. In a situation like this, how will a war drum help this elephant to come out? Nothing is helping him. Yet the king believed in this wise minister, so he gave the order to have the war drums being played. As soon as these war drums started playing, this elephant slowly got up and then enthusiastically came out absolutely fine from this mud and muck. What people were trying to do, what he was trying to do for so long, just didn't matter. It was just instantaneously that after hearing these war drums, this elephant stood up and just came out. This makes you understand that what was there is that elephant had that physical strength, inner strength in himself, but there was no enthusiasm from his side in his energies to even try and come out of the situation. He had kind of given it up. And that is why when he heard the drums of the war, that was the place where he used to be active, energetic, full of life, to win the battle. All those memories came back and that energy and enthusiasm came from within to help himself and just come out absolutely fine. So, friends, this makes us realize that at times when we feel very low, hopeless, and we allow despair to set into our lives, we lose that energy and enthusiasm and allow ourselves to go deeper and deeper inside, feeling low, feeling unenergetic, and feeling so hopeless in life. So, at trying times like this, what is prior importance is to have that energy and enthusiasm of doing certain things that you love to do in this time. Don't give that up. Always have the energy of constantly moving it ahead in your life because it's very important to allow the war drums to continuously playing, not for the war, but for the victory that is there with the drums. So sound your drums of victorious and come out of this. Things will change, situations will change, phase will move. What remains inside is that beautiful energy of enthusiasm, of life, of hope, of better things coming, better times coming. And that is the takeaway of this beautiful story that I just narrated to you. Hope you enjoyed it and liked it. One more question before I end this. Are you enjoying these stories? Would you want me to continue these stories? Do write and let me know in the messages so that I know you all are having fun and I can go ahead relating stories to you. Take care, all the best, and let's keep up the enthusiasm and energy in life. Bye for now.